Hello dear students, how are you all? I am Priyanka Deshpande, your computer teacher, and welcome to your computer class. So dear students, we have already completed one chapter, that is computer networks, which was taught by Anshuta ma'am, and we have already started with the next chapter, that is internet application and emerging technologies. So dear students, till now in this chapter we have seen topics like e-commerce, categories of e-commerce, e-payment, that is electronic payment. We have also seen topics like blogging, podcast. Then we have seen what is social networking and its pros and cons. Today we are going to cover the emerging technologies part, that is what is AR, VR and AI. So we are going to see what is virtual reality, what is augmented reality and what is artificial intelligence. So the first one is VR. VR stands for virtual reality, students. Now what is virtual reality? Virtual reality is the concept, is the computer technology which is used to create virtual environment, simulated environment around us, around the real world, where the users are fully immersed. Now look at the video over here. In this video, the users are using VR glasses, that is virtual reality glasses, and they are fully immersed into the activity which is virtually created around them. So not only in games, but virtual reality is, the concept of virtual reality is used in many places nowadays, like in the medical field or in architecture, in army, in education, etc. The next topic is of AI. Now what is AI? Children, AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI is the ability of computer-based machine which are used to carry out functions or activities like reasoning and learning, which can be only performed by humans. For example, hello Google or Alexa. Now Google Assistant or Alexa, if you can see, these are the computer based machine which reacts like human being. Like when we ask them any question, they gives us, they understand it, they process it properly and they give us the proper answer, right? Now even on Between Us we have one very interesting video, just this one. Just go through this video. It is a very interesting video and the perfect example of AI. Now to know this concept more smoothly, more easily, I'll give you one example. Children, nowadays in lockdown period, we are or most of us are playing one very popular game, that is Ludo King. And in this game, when you are playing versus computer, it is thinking, it is reacting, it is responding like a human being when you are playing with it. So again, it is an example of AI. And the other examples of AI are automatic cars, robotic vacuum cleaners, etc. AR, that is augmented reality. Now children, AR is the concept in which few digital elements are added into our real environment to create enhanced experience. Now these digital elements can be sound, graphics or touch feedbacks. This is what the definition of AR says. Now if we look into the definition is too boring to understand, but the concept is very interesting. And believe me children, we are using the concept of AR, that is augmented reality, in our daily life very popularly, or we can say very frequently. An example of AR, that is Snapchat. Now you must have seen in Snapchat or in any other applications, like we are able to use different filters. Now those filters are nothing but the graphics which just recognize our face, and those graphics are placed on our face. So these filters are nothing but the perfect example for the concept of augmented reality. Now if you want to discuss more examples of augmented reality, have you ever seen the advertisement of Lenskart where they say you try the lenses online and choose the perfect one? Again, it's an example of augmented reality. Have you ever seen the advertisement of different paints, Asian Paints, Nerolac, etc., where they say you just take photograph of or you just place the mobile and select the color which you want on your wall and see how it is going to look. Again, it is an example of augmented reality. So there are many examples. If we can see in different online application, in different online shops, the product like lamps or other products, you can simply place it on, you can simply scan the environment. Like if I want to place it on my table, I'll keep my camera on the in front of the table and I can place that digital picture on the table and I can view it, how it is going to look when I'll purchase it. So these all are the example of augmented reality. So children, today we have seen three new concepts of emerging technologies. That is, the very first one we have seen, that is VR, virtual reality. Then we have seen AI, that is artificial intelligence, and the last one is AR, that is augmented reality. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We'll meet soon in next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.